High within the cloud forests of the Andes, blooms a flower so unusual, it seems shaped by imagination itself.
This is the Swaddled Babies Orchid, a rare flower whose inner petals resemble tiny babies wrapped carefully in blankets.
The resemblance is astonishing. Tiny faces, folded forms, even delicate shapes that appear almost human.
Thriving in cool, humid mountain forests, these orchids survive in ecosystems suspended between earth and sky.
Like all orchids, its strange structure evolved for survival. Beauty, shape, and scent all working together to attract pollinators. In nature, even flowers can tell stories, and some blooms seem to carry life within them.